Are you tired of feeling stuck in a breakfast rut, relying on eggs for your protein fix? Many people overlook other powerhouse foods that can give you even more protein without the hassle. Eggs are a great source of protein, no doubt about it. But the idea that they're the best or only option is simply not true. There are plenty of foods out there that can provide an even bigger protein punch, and today I'm going to share 7 of them with you. From familiar favorites to some you might not have considered before, these protein powerhouse foods are not only delicious, but also pack a serious nutritional punch. You can easily incorporate them into your daily meals and snacks for a protein boost that'll keep you going all day long. So, let's dive in and explore these incredible protein sources that'll make you forget all about those humble eggs. Greek yogurt is a protein superstar that deserves way more credit. Not only does it contain a whopping 20 grams of protein per 6-ounce serving, but it's also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it as a snack on its own, add it to your favorite smoothie, or use it as a base for a protein-packed parfait. I like to mix my Greek yogurt with some fresh berries and a sprinkle of granola for a quick and easy breakfast that's both protein-rich and delicious. It's also a great addition to your favorite recipes, adding moisture and protein to everything from muffins to savory sauces. One of the best things about Greek yogurt is that it's so easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can take it on the go, or enjoy it as a relaxing treat after a workout. And with so many flavors and varieties to choose from, you're sure to find one that suits your taste buds. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for a healthier snack option, Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse that's definitely worth adding to your diet. Quinoa is another protein-rich food that often flies under the radar. This ancient grain is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs to build and repair muscle tissue. And with 8 grams of protein per cup, it's a great addition to any meal. One of the things I love about quinoa is its incredible versatility. You can use it as a base for salads, a side dish, or even as a main course. I like to add it to my favorite stir-fry recipes, or mix it with roasted vegetables for a hearty and healthy meal. Quinoa is also super easy to cook and can be prepared in advance, making it a great option for meal prep. And with its subtle, nutty flavor, it pairs well with just about anything. If you're looking for a protein-rich food that's both delicious and nutritious, quinoa is definitely worth trying. Lentils are a protein powerhouse that's often overlooked in favor of more trendy ingredients. But with 18 grams of protein per cup, they're definitely worth adding to your diet. These tiny legumes are not only packed with protein, but also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. I like to add lentils to my favorite soups and stews, or use them as a base for a hearty and healthy salad. They're also a great addition to veggie burgers and meatballs, adding protein and texture to these plant-based staples. One of the best things about lentils is that they're so affordable and accessible. You can find them in just about any grocery store, and they're incredibly easy to cook. Simply sauté them with some onions and garlic, and you've got a delicious and protein-rich meal. Whether you're a vegetarian, vegan, or just looking for a healthier protein source, lentils are definitely worth trying. Cottage cheese is another protein-rich food that's often misunderstood. This creamy and delicious cheese is not only high in protein, but also packed with calcium and probiotics. And with 28 grams of protein per cup, it's a great addition to any meal or snack. I like to mix my cottage cheese with some fresh fruit and nuts for a quick and easy snack that's both protein-rich and delicious. It's also a great base for a protein-packed smoothie, adding creaminess and a boost of protein to your favorite recipe. One of the best things about cottage cheese is its incredible versatility. You can enjoy it as a snack, add it to your favorite recipes, or even use it as a topping for oatmeal or yogurt. And with its creamy texture, it's a great option for those who are lactose intolerant. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for a healthier snack option, cottage cheese is definitely worth trying. Chia seeds are a protein powerhouse that's often overlooked in favor of more trendy ingredients. But with 5 grams of protein per ounce, they're definitely worth adding to your diet. These tiny seeds are not only packed with protein, but also rich in fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants. I like to add chia seeds to my favorite smoothie recipes, or mix them with almond milk for a protein-rich breakfast pudding. They're also a great addition to your favorite baked goods, adding protein and fiber to everything from muffins to cakes. One of the best things about chia seeds is their incredible versatility. You can use them as an egg substitute in recipes, add them to your favorite granola, or even use them as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. And with their mild, nutty flavor, they pair well with just about anything. Whether you're a vegan, vegetarian, or just looking for a healthier protein source, Chia seeds are definitely worth trying. Chicken breast is a protein superstar that's often touted as the ultimate protein source. And for good reason. It's lean, mean, and packed with protein. With 30 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, it's a great addition to any meal or snack. I like to grill my chicken breast and serve it with a side of quinoa and steamed vegetables for a protein-packed meal that's both delicious and nutritious. It's also a great addition to your favorite salads, wraps, or soups. One of the best things about chicken breast is its incredible versatility. You can bake it, grill it, or sauté it with your favorite spices and herbs. And with its lean protein content, it's a great option for those looking to lose weight or improve their overall health. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for a healthier protein source, chicken breast is definitely worth trying. Hemp seeds are a protein powerhouse that's often misunderstood. This tiny seed is not only packed with protein but also rich in essential fatty acids, fiber, and vitamins. And with 10 grams of protein per ounce, it's a great addition to any meal or snack. I like to add hemp seeds to my favorite smoothie recipes, or mix them with almond milk for a protein-rich breakfast drink. They're also a great addition to your favorite salads, adding a nutty flavor and a boost of protein. One of the best things about hemp seeds is their incredible versatility. You can use them as a protein powder substitute, add them to your favorite granola, or even use them as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. And with their mild, nutty flavor, they pair well with just about anything. Whether you're a vegan, vegetarian, or just looking for a healthier protein source, hemp seeds are definitely worth trying. So there you have it. 7 protein powerhouse foods that can give you even more protein than eggs. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, vegetarian, or just looking for a healthier protein source, these foods are definitely worth adding to your diet. Remember, protein is an essential nutrient that's crucial for building and repairing muscle tissue. And with so many delicious and nutritious options to choose from, there's no excuse not to get enough. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your favorite protein sources in the comments below. And if you're looking for more healthy eating tips, be sure to check out our video on the top 10 protein-rich foods you should be eating. Happy eating, and we'll see you in the next video.